I'll be telling you 5 businesses you can start up with 50,000 naira, as low as 50,000 naira capital. Yes, so this video will be very practical. I'll be talking from experience, both myself and people that I know that are doing that business. I won't just be telling you the business, I'll be telling you how you can really make it lucrative, how you can actually make money from these businesses. So it's not like a theory. This video is going to be very practical. I'll tell you the business and I'll tell you how you can go about it to make a living from this business. And yes, you can actually start up small business with as low as 50,000 naira. So if you're the type that you want to start up something, you don't have the millions or the thousands of naira to start up business, try to watch this video to the end, because you're going to learn a lot from this video. It can be for yourself or for someone you know that you can tell that you can actually start up something with as low as 50,000 naira. Hi lovely people, welcome back to my channel. This is Grow with Stacy. We'll talk about how to make money online, offline, using different means available. So in this video, I'll be showing you 5 businesses that you never knew you can actually start with 50,000 naira. These businesses are some of the businesses that you already know. You might know people that are doing it. And remember that everyone has a story. People, all the big businesses you're seeing today, they were once small. They started very small. Now, everybody mustn't start small. There are people that started big. But because you do not have enough capital to start big, you can actually start small instead of not doing anything at all. So the first business I'll be mentioning is food business. Yes, you might be thinking, how can you use 50,000 naira to start a food business? Trust me, it's possible. It's 100% possible. You can actually start a food business with 50,000 naira. How will you even do that? You do not have a shop, restaurant, or anything to start up. Now you have a phone, and you have WhatsApp, you have Facebook app, you have different social media platform on your phone. All you need to do now, I know someone who is doing this, so it's not something that is out of the wood. It's something that people are doing. First of all, let's categorize this food business. Let's start with baking and catering. It's just baking and catering anyways. So for the baking side, you can actually start baking. You don't need to be a professional, a baker for you to start a baking business. You can start with peanuts. If you don't know how to make peanuts, just go to YouTube, type how to make peanuts. You're going to watch the video. Someone I know that is doing this business, she has grown to be that she's now supplying to supermarkets. That was how she started. She did not learn it from anywhere. She started making peanuts just like that. Before you know it, she has improved, like added other things like plantain chips and different other baking, and she's supplying to the big supermarket right now. That was how she started. So you can start small. 50k or less can start you a peanut business. You can just start making peanuts and packaging it, branding it with your own brand, and supplying to small shop. That is the practical aspect of it. After making the peanut, you can start maybe with 5k. Just do small to test it. Once you make it once or so and it comes out very well, you can share to people in your neighborhood to give you a review. Once it's up to standard, you can invest like 50k in it to make it big, as much as possible. You package it very well. Just go to the market, buy all these packaged nylon, brand it, and start supplying to small shop on your street, in your neighborhood. And before you know it, they'll keep demanding. So far it comes out very nice. They'll keep demanding it. Trust me, you can never go wrong with anything food, anything edible. You can never go wrong with it. You can actually start up with 50k. Start making peanuts. Peanut is the least you can actually make. So when you grow, you can add chin-chin, you can add plantain chips, and before you know it, you grow from there. It is very practical. People are doing it. You can actually do it. For the catering part of it, you might not have money to start up a restaurant business, but you can actually go and print a flyer bearing your name, your business name. You can say Stacy Catering Services. Brand it, post it on your social media platform. Tell people that you know that you are not into catering, that you can make food, every type of food, soup, swallow, every type of food, you can actually make it. Keep posting it, keep, commenting on blogs that this is what you do now. Keep telling people, keep telling friends, family. There are a lot of people that actually order food online. And why would they order from you? So far, you know what you're doing. So far, you can cook very well. Except you do not know how to cook, you do not bother. But if you can cook very well, you can be in your house and cook. Just do this. Get a flyer, keep posting it, and once you get order, you cook. I can start this with less than 50,000 naira, and people are doing it and they are making living out of it. Trust me, you can actually do this. The second one is cleaning business, cleaning agency. You can start up cleaning agency. So hold up, you might think, oh, I can't go into cleaning, I'm too big for cleaning. It must not be the one to do the cleaning. All you need to do, the practical aspect of it now, is that you can go and print a flyer. Have a business name, print a flyer. This is what you do. I clean offices, companies, new house, and stuff like that. Once you print this flyer, go to offices, go to companies, submit them, submit to your churches, your church, submit to your, everywhere. Keep telling people that this is what you do now. You're into cleaning business, into cleaning agency. Once you have a contract, you can advertise it. People can advertise that you're looking for cleaners. A lot of young people are looking for a job. It's just a temporary job, maybe part-time job. And once you get them this contract, you can employ like 2, 3, 4% that can help you do this work. And once you are paid, you pay them, and that is it. I know someone doing this. Actually, I know someone who is now big in cleaning business. He started small. So you can actually start up cleaning business with as low as 50,000 naira. This is something practical. You can start it today if you make up your mind. All you need to do, like I said, go to cyber cafe, print flyer, let them design a flyer for you, print it, and begin to distribute, talk to people about it. The third one is drop shipping. This drop shipping is something you can actually do even without money. Like, people are doing it and it's not too late. Trust me, there is no market that is saturated. Yes, you can actually start up drop shipping business, with little or no capital. What do you have to do about it? How do you go about it? Go to suppliers, go to manufacturers, go to people who sell in wholesale. There are places you can see them in your city. Go there, tell them you want to be their distributor, they want to be distributing their products. They love this kind of thing. They can add in their WhatsApp group where they will be sending you pictures, or you tell them to be sending you pictures, post this on your social media platform. People will order from you. Trust me, people will order from you. Don't say it will not work, just try it. When they order, either the supplier or the manufacturer or the wholesaler drop ship to them, or they pay you, you take your own profits and you supply to them, drop ship it to them. Many people are doing it. In fact, some big businesses on Instagram started like this. They don't have products of their own. When people order, they place the order and send to them. That's how they do this business. So we can actually do this business with as low as 50,000 or even without any capital. The fourth one is print on demand. I know someone that is doing this. Trust me. She go about it. She does not have any office. What she do is to go. She has a flyer, a business flyer. Yeah, she design her flyer, and that is what she do now. She go to churches where they do marriage classes and tell them this is what she does, that she wants to print on their souvenirs. Trust me, this girl is always getting contracts. This is very practical. You can actually start it. Use part of that 50,000 to go do this flyer. Just begin to source for contract. And once you get it, trust me, you will make your game. You don't even need to have experience on printing, on graphics, and all that. Once you get it, take it to where they are doing it, and you get your business done, get your pay, and make your own profits. You can start it with 50K or less. The last but not the least is POS business. Yes, you can actually request for a POS machine from GoPay, Money Points. It's as low as 20K, 25,000 or 30,000 naira, and you start up your POS business. You can go to any location where you know that there are traffic of people, there's crowd, can be close to marketplace, can be school, it can be anywhere that is very strategic. Set up your chair and umbrella there, and you start up your POS business. People are making money through POS business. All you need is traffic, and you're making your daily income there. Consider these 5 businesses and check out the one you can do. You can actually try it. People are doing it. I know people doing it. And I know the one I've done, like that drop shipping, I have done it and it was working perfectly for me. Try it and you'll thank me later. Thank you guys for watching. And please, if you find this video helpful, drop a comment and give the video a thumbs up. Thank you and see you in my next video.